I bought and tested these vertical wind turbines so you don't have to waste your money. After scouring the market, I've narrowed it down to my top 5 picks. These turbines promise clean energy solutions for home use, and I'm here to share my real experiences with each one. Product number 1. The Thames and Cosmos Wind Power V 5.0 STEM Experiment Kit. As someone who loves DIY projects, I was thrilled when I first opened the box. This kit is not just about assembling a wind turbine, it's a full-on educational experience that introduces kids to the world of renewable energy. Imagine my excitement when I saw that it comes with a 32-page manual filled with colorful illustrations and step-by-step instructions. I started assembling it with my nephew, who is 8 years old, and it quickly became an afternoon adventure. The kit includes everything needed to build a 3-foot-tall model wind turbine. The assembly process was engaging, and I appreciated the thoughtful design that allows for both indoor and outdoor use. We used a fan indoors, and to our surprise, the turbine generated enough electricity to power a small model car in just 2 minutes. That was a huge hit. The new blade hub and gear ratio really optimized its performance. Pros: this kit offers an interactive learning experience, perfect for curious minds. It sparks interest in renewable energy, making it an excellent educational tool. The materials are durable and the design is kid-friendly. Cons: the only downside is that it's primarily aimed at a younger audience. Adults looking for a serious wind turbine for energy generation might be disappointed. Why buy it? If you're looking for a fun way to introduce kids to science and renewable energy, this kit is a fantastic choice. It's an investment in education that can inspire the next generation of environmentally conscious thinkers. Product number 2. 20,000 watt vertical wind turbine generator for home use. When I first received this beast, its size and build quality blew me away. Crafted from lightweight aluminum alloy, it not only feels sturdy but also promises excellent heat dissipation. I was particularly impressed with the innovative blade arc design, which I learned enhances the turbine's ability to capture wind energy efficiently. This model operates efficiently in a wide range of temperatures, all the way from -40°C to 80°C, making it suitable for various climates. Setting it up was straightforward thanks to the included instructions. It operates with a permanent magnet rotor alternator that delivers reliable energy output. I could see it working seamlessly on my property, generating a solid amount of power. The starter wind speed is just 1.5 meters per second, which is lower than many competitors, making it perfect for less windy areas. Pros: this turbine is incredibly efficient and versatile, great for residential or cabin use. The lightweight materials make installation a breeze, and it's designed to withstand high wind pressures while producing minimal noise. However, at nearly $600, it's an investment that might not suit everyone's budget. Additionally, the lack of a comprehensive user manual could be a drawback for some. Why buy it? If you're serious about harnessing wind energy for your home, this turbine is a powerful option that won't let you down. Its performance and durability make it a worthy investment for renewable energy enthusiasts. Product number 3. 16,000W Vertical Wind Turbine Generator Kit. The third turbine on my list is the 16,000W Vertical Wind Turbine Generator Kit. I was excited to test this unit because of its auto windward adjustment feature. This turbine adapts to varying wind directions without needing manual adjustments, which is a game changer for off-grid setups. I installed it on my rooftop and the performance was impressive. The nylon fiber blades are lightweight yet durable, and I could feel the difference in energy output compared to other models I've tested. One of the standout features for me was the 360-degree wind direction capability. This means that it can capture wind from any direction, making it incredibly efficient. It started generating power at just 2 meters per second wind speed, which is lower than many others I've seen, and it functioned perfectly even in fluctuating weather conditions. Pros: The turbine is designed for easy installation and maintenance, making it user-friendly. It's perfect for residential use and can power various applications, from homes to boats. However, its larger size might not be suitable for everyone's property, especially those with space constraints. Additionally, while the blades are resilient, they can be noisy under high wind conditions. Why buy it? If you're looking for a reliable and efficient wind turbine that requires minimal upkeep, this one is an excellent choice. Its adaptability and performance make it a strong contender for anyone serious about renewable energy. Product number 4, 12,000W no-noise vertical axis wind turbine generator. The fourth product is the 12,000W no-noise vertical axis wind turbine generator, and I have to say it lives up to its name. One of my biggest concerns with wind turbines is noise, but this model operates so quietly that it's almost unnoticeable. We installed it near our garden, and I was pleasantly surprised by how unobtrusive it was. The installation was straightforward, but I had to find a suitable mounting rod separately, which added a minor challenge. With a wind installation pole diameter of 60 millimeters and a maximum height of 12 meters, this turbine is designed to capture wind efficiently. The galvanized aluminum alloy blades are robust, and the electromagnetic control system ensures smooth operation. I was particularly impressed with its cut-in wind speed of 3 meters per second. It started generating power quickly and was able to handle high wind speeds up to 40 meters per second safely. Pros: its noise-free operation is a major plus, making it ideal for residential areas. The robust build ensures longevity, and the performance in diverse weather conditions is commendable. Cons: however, its heavy weight of 26.4 pounds might be a concern for some homeowners during the installation process. Additionally, the lack of a comprehensive installation guide could pose a challenge for first-timers. Why buy it? If you want a powerful yet quiet wind turbine, this model is perfect. Its performance and ease of use make it an excellent choice for homeowners looking to embrace renewable energy without the noise. Product number 5, 10,000-watt vertical wind turbine generator. From the moment I unboxed this product, I was struck by its sleek design and solid construction. It's lightweight, yet made from high-quality aluminum alloy, which promises longevity and efficient heat dissipation. I decided to install it in my backyard to see how it would perform, and I was impressed. The unique stator design reduces torque resistance, which means it operates smoothly and efficiently. The automatic braking system is a fantastic safety feature that kicks in at 300 RPM, providing peace of mind during storms or high winds. I found the installation process easy thanks to clear instructions and a user-friendly mounting design. This turbine is perfect for various applications, including outdoor lighting and cabins. Pros: its efficient design and safety features make it a reliable choice for anyone looking to invest in renewable energy. The versatility in applications is an added bonus, making it perfect for both home and commercial use. On the downside, the price point might be a bit high for casual users, and while installation is straightforward, it may require some basic handyman skills. Why buy it? If you're looking for a versatile and efficient wind turbine that can handle various applications, this one is worth considering. Its innovative features and reliable performance make it a great investment for eco-conscious homeowners. In conclusion, each of these vertical wind turbines has its unique strengths and weaknesses. Depending on your needs, whether it's for educational purposes or serious energy generation, there's something on this list for everyone. I hope my experiences help you make an informed decision on your wind energy journey.